I'm John Pankhurst, the Morning Marketing Man, and today's video is all about you, my fellow LinkedIners. I have been sharing videos once a week, every week, for nearly 3.5 months, giving away loads of value. And I wondered to myself the other day, why don't other people do this? And then I got a text message from a friend, and he said, why are you wearing your heart and your soul online and giving away all your business secrets? And it suddenly occurred to me, I wonder if other people think that their business secrets are theirs alone. And they're not, my friends. Most people can find out how you do business online now with a simple bit of research using Google. What you can do, however, is help to educate people and guide them in a way that gives a lot of value. And then at some point in the future, if they need you, they're going to remember you and ask you to do some business for them. And that is why I do it. And the reason why I'm saying this now is because I believe you should be doing it. Check this out. 600% increase in profile views since I've been sharing my videos once a week. If you're not doing it, you should consider how you can do it. It does take a little bit of time and effort. I spend about 5 hours a week in preparing my videos, but the results are staggering. If you found the value in this video useful, please share. But more importantly, start to consider how you could do it for yourself. Have a great day.